Well, ang plano natin, as is traditional with us, mga Marcos, we start in Ilocos. So that's the plan. Yan ang plano for now. And then ganun na, alam naman natin ng kampanya, you just try and cover as much ground as possible dahil kahit parang mahaba ang 90 days, it's really very short period of time to cover all the places that you feel you need to go to.
Is Santiago Marcos tandem still alive?
Oh, sure. Of course. We are in constant coordination. Lalo na ngayon na palapit na nga din sa campaign period. So, fina-finalize na namin yung mga stops, kung saan kami magkasama, kung saan kami hindi magkasama. You cannot be together all the time because sayang yung coverage. Kung lagi kayo magkasama, kung pwede kayo maghiwalay, you can cover twice as much ground. So that's the plan. That's the plan. We are finalizing now. Yun ang idea. Siyempre, you have to kick off the campaign na magka-tandem before going off on your own kung saan pupunta. Yan ang aming pinaplano sa ngayon.